Hey, it's Friday. Let's talk weather. So far, October is 2 for 2. Both days starting off with fog. The daylight hours, though, showing we had some live cameras on the live camera network. I hope you enjoy looking at those live pics from the coast out through the gorge here in the valley. Southwest Washington, also over into Central Oregon. Some of those cameras to Main Serene Winery, down to Dundee Hills, Gresham, actually showing a little bit of blue sky this morning and no fog. But for a lot of us, the story is the fog. And an air stagnation advisory has been posted by the Weather Service all the way through Monday afternoon. Now, an air stagnation advisory is typically posted when you have a temperature inversion, which means you have colder air locked down low, warmer air up top. That keeps the air from mixing, and you also have calm winds to go with that. So you get really stagnant. And that can lead to concerns of worsening air quality. The last couple of days and also this morning, air quality readings from DEQ are mostly in the moderate range for our area. The good news with all this is that California wildfire smoke that's been coming up from the south, that's expected to thin and kind of move out of our area basically overnight tonight. So maybe as that moves out, despite the stagnant air pattern, maybe air quality doesn't really worsen and can somehow hold in the moderate range this weekend. But if you suffer from poor air quality, it's something you will want to keep yourself updated on. There are numerous apps that can give you some pretty good information, or websites, including Oregon's DEQ. Okay, so that's that. The other thing about the air stagnation, though, and temperature inversion is that it can make it difficult for areas of low clouds and dense fog to actually clear out. So I'm going to just throw it out there that it's certainly possible today and tomorrow, Saturday, that parts of the valley and up into southwest Washington get locked under low clouds. And if that's the case, if you don't clear, your highs will only be in the 60s. Now, for areas that clear, I think mid-70s on average is where we will end up with hazy sunshine this afternoon, less in the way of wildfire smoke, and basically just clearing to a blue sky on Saturday. And then Sunday's actually not so much fog, but a morning marine push that comes in. Afternoon sun would be blue sky, 72. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, the winds pick up slightly. We get a bit of a north to easterly direction on Monday, Tuesday. That may help either limit or either keep us from getting foggy or limit how long the fog and low clouds last in the morning. So if we get enough sun, I still think Tuesday of next week has a chance to hit 80. But looking for all three of those days to be potentially pretty bright. And then we have showers and Thursday. So right now, Thursday of next week, that first chance of showers doesn't look like much. It looks like a few light showers, but not much rain. Same thing on Friday. And then a stronger system comes in on Saturday. There's a second, even stronger system that comes in Monday. So eventually, at some point, the back half of next week, going into that following week, it still looks like we will get into a fairly lengthy stretch of wet weather. So I think that is everything I have to talk about. I hope you have a great Friday and a nice weekend. I'll talk to you soon.